Keshav Shankar Pillai, a name that defined political satire and redefined childhood in India. From fearless cartooning to pioneering children's publishing, Shankar was a man with a mission. Studied law in Bombay but gave it up to pursue his passion for cartooning. Joined the Hindustan Times in 1932. His political cartoons became a voice of truth during pre- and post-independence India. Launched his own cartoon journal Shankar's Weekly 1948 to 1975, India's answer to Punch. Quit political cartooning to give children an identity of their own. Founded CBT to create affordable, well-designed books for children in English, Hindi and select regional languages. Over 50 books authored by Shankar himself. CBT's Nehru House was inaugurated by Dr. S. Radhakrishnan on 1957. Padma Shri, 1956. Padma Bhushan, 1966. Padma Vibhushan, 1976. Order of Smile, Poland. Golden Peacock Award, Poland, 1980. D. Lit. University of Delhi, 1984. And many more. Indraprasth Press, 1965 for quality printing. International Dolls Museum, 1965, 500 plus dolls from nearly 85 countries. Dolls Workshop, 1966, handcrafts traditional Indian costume dolls. The dolls have won laurels in India and abroad. CBT Library, 1967, over 30,000 books for children. Children's World Magazine, 1968, still inspiring young writers and artists.
Shankar's Academy of Arts and Book Illustrations. The Academy nurtures young artists with professional training in drawing, painting, book illustration and computer graphics. On-the-spot painting competition. Encouraging children to express their thoughts, dreams and imagination through art. Decades later, the competition continues to inspire young minds. Some lives are remembered for what they achieved. Shankar Pillai is remembered for the countless young minds he inspired. His legacy continues to grow through every child. As long as creativity finds a place in a child's heart, Shankar's vision will continue to live on.